Okay, bro. Yeah. So I just said let me make this video for you guys. Okay. If you're watching me on YouTube or Facebook, before watching, I'd like you to, just do one thing for me. Write on the comment section that very good, very nice, awesome video. So Facebook can promote the video to some other people to watch. Okay. And if you found this video interesting, you can share it to other people. Smash the like button. I would really appreciate that. Okay. So for today, I want to show you 3 reasons why you can't play very well, why you can't create groove for yourself. It's very simple, and these have been a lot of challenges to the beginners in the guitar lesson or in the guitar field. Okay, this has been one of the challenges you guys are having. Okay, so at first, one of the things you need to be learning, or to start learning, okay, is try to play with metronome. Okay, try to play with metronome, or try to see how you can create timing for yourself. This has been one of my challenge then. Okay, creating timing for myself. That's why most of you can play, but you don't have accurate timing. Okay, to create groove for yourself, to make sure your soloing sounds well and sound better. That's why I see most professional guitarists, they play and the soloing sound good, sound better. It's because they have much timing. They have grown themselves with metronome, with timing that enables them to solo as much as they can. Okay, and most of you don't play with metronome. You just pick up the guitar and start playing, which is not good. So one of the things you should start learning now is download a metronome, or if you have anything that could be giving you timing. Okay, you use it in your razor, use it in your section, your plastic section. Okay, that's one of the things that will help you to have good playing, to know how to create good groove. Something, if I like, for instance, if I should play something like, okay, what I'm playing there is I'm trying to see how I can get my timing. Okay, why I'm playing that, my timing is inside my mind. Okay, at the same time I'm picking my legs. Okay, I know my BMN, I know my timing rate. Okay, so when you start using metronome, you'll be able to know your timing rate and your speed rate. So from there, you will be able to get good playing, get good groove for yourself. Okay, so the second thing I would like to show you is that most of you don't play with alternate picking. Alternate picking has been an awesome way to have good playing. Okay, to have good soloing, just like playing something like this. You see, I'm picking from the down up strokes. Okay, down up stroke. Okay, if you look at my strings, my plectron, I'm playing from down up. Okay, alternate picking has been an awesome way to have speed, to have good playing. Okay, so you must make sure you start learning how to use your alternate picking. The number 3 things I want to show you is that whenever you're playing your guitar, try to observe these 3 things. There is how you place your fingers. Your finger placement really matters. A lot of people use your fingers like this, up from the fretboard. Okay, up from the fretboard. Let me come close. Most of you use your finger like this, up from the fretboard, which is not so. Look at the way I place my fingers. I place my finger like this. Just rest on it like this. Okay, I just rest them on the string without stress. Okay, so you need to start learning how to place your finger without picking it like this. And most of you play like this, and your knobs are very up. That's why it seems as if most time you feel tired or you feel pains when you are soloing, when you are trying to create groove. Okay, no, you don't place your fingers like that. You just place your finger straight on the boards. Okay, and it looks as if you are not picking any note, but you are picking those notes. Okay, stuff like this you can, like, this is my fingers now. While playing like that, you might not even know the strings or the note I'm picking. Okay, you might not even know. All you just see my finger moving or the fretboard. So these are the things you need. These three things are very vital as you are coming up as a beginner or an intermediate player. You need to start focusing on these three things. It will really help you in your playing. Okay, so I believe this video is going to help one or two people there out there. So like I said earlier, share it, okay, comment, so other people can learn also like you. All right guys, thanks for watching. Bye.